Amgen shares, they've rallied nearly 14% in the past 3 months, and options traders are betting on even more gains ahead. Pete and Jim at the Telestrator with a look at what you're seeing. And that's the unusual activity today, Pete.
Yeah, it is in Amgen. And you can see this chart, and you talked about this recent rise that it's made from down here at these levels all the way up to there, Scott. And it's actually approaching towards where it was at those highs earlier in the year. So it's really interesting charts to look at. But you know what it comes down to? We talk about these biotechs all the time. There's a variety of different names out there. We actually know that Stephanie today bought some Gilead. About a month or two ago, I bought some Celgene. I like what's going on there, too. That's a stock that's been hammered. Amgen's not been hammered. But all they do is produce. This is like a major pharma type company, the way they act. And today, I'll give you a quickie on, then you tell me about the stock. The August 195 calls, they expire on the 3rd of August. We had 5,600 of those calls bought today. That's pretty aggressive. They also bought the 200 strike calls. It's not a spread. They bought one, they bought the other. So out into August, we're seeing buyers looking for this thing to go to the upside. We were focusing on this one today, but what do you got going on there?
CGRP. You know what CGRP is?
No.
That is their version of, they have a revolutionary migraine drug, 30 million people. It's working. The migraine drug, first time.
Jim, you like the name?
Yes, first time anything's worked against migraines. Wow. And they have it.
That's huge.
CGRP. Allergan has a pill, not ready yet. But they have, it prevents migraines, okay? And it is crushing it.
Wow.
Doctors love it.
Awesome.
So that's what's driving this, and that's why I think you can go to 200.
And when we talk about some of these names, we're always talking about pipelines and everything else. This is a company that just continues to have some of that.
People have finally realized the cholesterol drug is amazing. Cholesterol should be at 25. Their drug can do it, but they are not promotional guys. And I'm sure they're watching me and say, Jim, why did you do that with CGRP? Why did you do it? But you know what? I got to do it. They just don't know how to hype, and I do love that. I do love that. That's a great company.
Now we're going to go to an energy name. We were talking about energy earlier, and I've told you time and time again over the last month and a half, 2 months, Scott, that I feel like I'm almost overweight with energy, right, unfortunately. So adding to it again, I already own these XOPs, but we see buyers coming in again today. Really pretty aggressive once again. I mean, some large companies, 16,000 of the August 47 calls. Wow. They're rolling up from the July 45 calls. They made money on those, and they're rolling up to these August 47 calls. So when we see those rolls and they've made money, and that's a good sign. I'm there. I think these energy names continue to move.
On board, my friend. On board.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.